Dear students, in this video now I am going to explain the topic the exercise 6.3. This exercise is related to the topic the division of polynomials, whether it is monomial by monomial, a polynomial by a monomial, or a polynomial by a polynomial. These are all topics how to divide a polynomials. I already explained in my previous videos. If you have not watched that video, watch that videos first and then try to understand the questions given in this exercise. I will explain some questions. If you found any doubt, can ask again. Okay, so let's start. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. 1a. Divide the following. Question given is 33 x square y square z square divided by 11 x square y square z. This is the case of a monomial divided by monomial. A single term divided by single term. You know what we need to do? We have to divide both the numerals and then apply the laws of exponents for the variables. Some questions I explained, I solved question number B, that is 119xyz square divided by 17z square. First of all, 119 divided by 17, it will be 7. This x will remain as it is because there is no any x in the denominator. Y will also remain as it is, and z square and z square. Power 2 minus 2, that will be 0. So we can remove z. So answer will be 7xy. Similarly, question number D also I solved. X cube y4 z6 divided by yz. So this is also the case of monomial divided by monomial. Numerals are not there, no any numerals, so we cannot write any numeral. This x cube will remain as it is. This y power 4, and in the denominator it is y power 1. So 4 minus 1, that will be y power 3. Z power 6, Z power 1, so it will be 6 minus 1, so Z power 5. Question number F I have solved next. That is question number 12x square plus 3xy divided by 3x. It is the case of a binomial divided by monomial. How to divide a binomial by monomial, or how to divide a polynomial having more than two terms by a monomial. In that case, what we are doing, we will divide this monomial by all the terms. Okay, all the terms will be divided by the monomial, all the terms will be divided by the monomial. So this 12x square divided by 3x plus 3xy divided by 3x. All these terms will be divided by that monomial. So 12x square divided by 3x plus 3xy divided by 3x will give 4x plus y, because it is now the case of monomial by monomial. 12 divided by 3, 4, x square divided by x, that will be x. Then 3xy divided by 3x will be y. Okay, so that will be our answer, 4x plus y. Next question is minus 2 power 4 x square z cube y plus 2 power 4 z square x4 minus 4z4 y4 divided by 2z square. This is the case of a trinomial divided by monomial. Okay, so how to divide? First of all, I will divide all these three terms by this single term. Okay, so minus 2 power 4 x square z cube y divided by 2z square, 2 power 4 z square x4 divided by 2z square, 4z4 y4 divided by 2z square. Okay, so now this is 2 power 4 can be written as 16. I can simplify, minus 2 power 4 will be 16. Rest of all I left as it is. Then this 2 power 4 I have written 16. The other things I didn't change, and this 4 z4 y4 divided by 2z square I have written unchanged. Now I will divide. This 16 divided by 2 will be 8. This x square will be as it is, z power 3, z power 2, then it will be z power 1 y. Similarly, you can divide others also. Okay, so these were in question number 1. All the questions were either a monomial divided by monomial or The question were a polynomial divided by monomial. Now in the second question, perform the following divisions and verify the results. Perform the following and verify. In second question, all the questions are like a polynomial divided by a polynomial. The students watch that video very properly. In that video, I explained 3 questions of that topic, a polynomial divided by polynomial. Okay, and then how to verify that I will explain in this video. So let's try to understand some question. Question number 2a. The question is 9x cube y cube minus 14xy plus 20 divided by xy plus 5. So as you know that we will write the divisor here and there I will write the dividend. Now what we need to do is we need to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. The first term of the dividend by the first term of divisor. Okay. So 9x cube y cube divided by xy. 9x cube y cube divided by xy. That will be the now case of a monomial by monomial. Okay. So 9x cube y cube divided by this xy, I will get this 9x square y square. You can check that division. Okay. So 9x cube y cube divided by xy will be 9x square y square. Now, this 9x square y square will be multiplied by both of these terms, all the terms of the divisor. Okay, if there are 3 terms in the divisor, I will multiply this quotient by all 3 terms. If there are 2 terms, I will multiply by 2 terms. Okay, so 9x square y square multiplied by xy, I will write now 9x cube y cube. 9x square y square multiplied by 5, it will be 45x square y square. That I have written separately because in the dividend we don't have any term with the variable x square y square. With the variable x square y square. Okay, so if there were any term with x square y square, then I have written that downside. But as we don't have any term, so I have written it separately. Okay, so this 45x square y square. Then we need to subtract. Just recall the subtraction. Whenever we are doing subtraction, then we will change the symbol of the second polynomial. That means this plus 9x cube y cube will be of minus. This 45x square y square, that will be of minus now. Okay, then 9 minus 9, this will be cancelled out. This minus 45x square y square will be written there. Then the other terms we will write. These all the things I have already explained in my previous videos. Okay, I can understand that it is very difficult to understand, difficult to get understood in the online classes through the video. But still, we have no any option. We have to try to understand. Okay, dear students. So what we have done, what we need to do. First of all, dividend divide by divisor, then multiply the quotient by the complete divisor. That will be the case of monomial divide by polynomials, and then we need to subtract. And then now we need to repeat the process only. Okay, again now this first term will be divided by the first term. This 45x square y square divided by xy, I will get 45xy. Then we will multiply. We will write and then as carry on we will do. Okay, so the student try to understand this division. Okay, if you get any doubt in any step, then you can ask me again. Now the question is how to check. The checking of division is very simple. You are done in your smaller classes also, in class 5, 6 also we are done that. How to check? The formula will be the dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. That formula you may have heard so many times, that dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So I will write all the values. So dividend here is 9x cube y cube minus 14xy plus 20 is equals to divisor is xy plus 5 multiply the quotient is 9x square y square minus 45xy plus 211 plus remainder But here our remainder is negative, so I have written minus 1035. So write all the values, the dividend, the divisor, the quotient and the remainder. Now we need to solve. How to solve this multiply? This is binomial multiply by a trinomial. That means polynomial multiply by polynomial. That also I already explained how to multiply the polynomials. Okay, this first term will be multiplied by all the three terms. This 5 will be multiplied by all the three terms, and then we will write them. Okay, so xy multiplied by 9x square y square, that will be 9x cube y cube. Xy multiplied by 45xy, that will be 45x square y square. Xy multiplied by 211, then I will get 211xy. 5 multiplied by 9x square y square, 45x square y square. 5 multiplied by 45xy, 225, and then 5 multiplied by 211, that will be 1055 minus 1035. Now what we need to do, if there are any like terms, we can combine them and solve. Just like here minus 45x square, and there it is plus 45x square. So we can cancel out both, because 45 minus 45 will be 0. They both are like terms. This is the term of x square y square. This is also the term of x square y square. So they are like terms. We can cancel out the other things. This is 211xy and this is minus 225xy. Okay, they can also be simplified. 211 minus 225 will be minus 14xy, and then 1055 minus 1035 will be plus 20, and that is our dividend. So in that case, when we solve this RHS, the right hand side, when we solve, first we will multiply and then we will add the remainder. So when we solve this right hand side, that will be surely equal to the left hand side. If it is not coming equal, that means our division is wrong, otherwise maybe our verification is wrong, anything is wrong there. Okay, so that is how to check. Let me take one more question. The second D, a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by a plus b. So a plus b divided by a square plus 2ab plus b square. First term a square divided by a, I will get a. Then this a multiply a square, a multiply b, ab. So ab will be written downside of the ab's term and a square will be written downside of a square's term. So now we need subtract. So this will be minus, this will be also minus, because in subtraction we need to change the symbols. So a square minus a square, we will cancel out 2ab minus ab, that will be ab. Now when ab divided by a, we will get b. Again we will multiply, subtract. Now here our remainder is 0, and then I have checked also this dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Write the value of divisor, write the value of quotient, remainder, dividend, everything. Now multiply a plus b, multiply a plus b. When we will solve, we will get our dividend again. So our verification is right, our division is also right. And then finally one more I have solved, that is 2f. You can see the solution there. First we will divide, then the verification also. So my dear students, solve the remaining question of this exercise yourself, and if you have any kind of doubt, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, do all these questions in your notebook. If you don't have your fair notebook right now, maybe you are submitted in school, then do in your rough, and afterwards you can do it in your fair again. Okay, so solve these questions, try this. If you have doubt, ask me again. Okay, thank you.